Hello, and welcome to our real estate exam prep classes, where you can log in on an iPad, Mac, Windows or Android device. Our learning management system is located at www.passmyrealestateexam.com. After you have registered, look in the upper right corner for the Student Center to sign in. Please note the email address that you used when you registered, because it is the only email address that will allow you to log in. Also, jot down your password and keep it where you can find it. Click the yellow tab to sign in using our secure server. You will see your course, or courses, listed on the left side. Next, click Continue to Course. The course outline is found on the left side. To the right of the topic there may be the words, View Content, Play Video, or Take Quiz. If you only see the View Content or Play Video options, then look in the upper right corner and touch the refresh button. The Take Quiz link will appear. If you only purchased the Yes, You Can Learn Real Estate Math course, then there are no videos. Just click the View Content to get started. There is a teaching section for the topic which includes the formula you will use. Then, you will see the step-by-step explanations of how the formula works. Then, there is a question for you to work. At the end of the section, you will find the explanation showing how the question was worked. There is a bank of quiz questions that are different than the teaching or video questions. So, if you take the quiz a second time you will have different questions. Remember, relax, learn, and read carefully. Let us know if you have questions. Our contact information is found on the website.
Stop walking around thinking someone else is holding the keys to unlock your success.